Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the visited app review to see if it's worth using. So to dive into it, the visited app is a traveling tracking app that lets users mark the countries they were visited and build a personalized map of their journey. It also allows you to create travel watch list, explore created destinations like world wonder and top cities. Also track statistics about your trip. The app supports multiple languages, which works both on iOS and Android, and also offer a premium upgrade for city levels tracking and more detailed insight, making it appealing to frequent travelers who want a visual way to record and plan their adventures. However, the app has its downside. Some user report slow performance, glitches, and occasional crashes, alongside with the limited features unless you upgrade to premium. Others mention frustration with required sign-ups and difficulties managing settings. So in conclusion, the app worth using if you enjoy visualizing your travel and don't mind paying for extras, but not ideal if you expect flawless performance or want everything included for free. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.